Hello, what's going on everyone? In today's video, I'm going to give you the answer for this question, and the question is, which beloved children's author is credited with writing a James Bond film? Well, now I'll give you the answer for the question, and after that, I'll provide you with explanation about the answer. And here is the correct answer for the question. The correct answer for the question is Roald Dahl. That's the correct answer for the question, and here is a bit more information about the answer. Roald Dahl, the cherished writer renowned for timeless works such as Charlie and the Chocolate Factory and Matilda, achieved an unexpected distinction by penning a script for a James Bond movie. In 1967, Dahl was the creative force behind the screenplay for You Only Live Twice, the fifth installment in the James Bond series featuring Sean Connery. Despite his reputation for whimsical children's tales, Dahl possessed a more shadowy aspect to his writing, rendering him a suitable candidate for transforming Ian Fleming's novel into a suitable candidate for transforming Ian Fleming's novel into an enthralling espionage narrative. Intriguingly, Dahl and Fleming were acquainted through their shared service in Britain's intelligence sector during World War II. So that is the correct answer for the question, Roald Dahl, and forgive my bad English. Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video is very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. Please this subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. And if you find this video is not really good, or you don't really like this video, or you kind of feel that it's a little bit offensive or something like that, you can click this one, dislike button. You can do that anyway. And if you want to share this video with your friend, you can share it by clicking this share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish that is currently available at this time, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many others. Right? And if you want to add this video to your playlist, you can click this one. You can watch this video later, and you can find more options by clicking these three dots. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. See you again.